Do you often find yourself not wanting to be one of those people in Grifball that just sets a macro on their keyboard to run forward over and over again just to get cosmetic items so you can relive the glory of your youth? Yeah, me neither. Now, I was thinking to myself, how can I still gain XP and not be so extremely toxic and retarded? And then it came to me, I'm just gonna write a bot that reads the minimap. So then I started wasting hours of my life testing different settings and approaches for the bot. Now, one problem that I ran into was it's actually pretty difficult to simulate a mouse inside of a game. So we just didn't use a mouse. So how are we going to make a bot that can play Grifball but can't even look around? Well, the entire script is going to be based completely off the minimap. Now, in the center of the minimap is a yellow dot depicted whenever you move. This is how the script is going to know where the center is. As enemies start to move around us, they'll be represented as red markers. Now, using some special image color filtering and object detection, I'm pretty sure we can get the location of the dots in an XY format. Now, if we know the location of the center and one of the markers, using the distance formula that you probably forgot even existed, we can get the distance from us to that enemy. Once we do this, we can loop through all the red markers on the map and find which one is the closest and track for it. Because we don't have to worry about looking around, the movement is hyper simplified. All we have to know is if the marker is above or below and left or right of the center lines. So if the marker is up and to the left, we know we're going to trigger the keys A and W. If the marker is straight up, then we just trigger the W key. If the marker is down and to the left, we trigger S and A, and so on. And this is what happened. So keep in mind, all the footage in this video is the bot playing with no human interaction at all. If you look in the top left hand of your screen, this is what the bot is actually seeing itself. The black screen is the color filtered version, which is used to find the locations on the minimaps, depicted by the dots. And the left screen is the minimap with some things overlaid on it. And the final result, after watching a good amount of gameplay, I've come to the conclusion that the bot isn't actually a total piece of garbage like I thought it would be before. The bot itself regularly gets kills and actively kills other players. Most of the time it dies in the process trading with the other player, but occasionally it goes on a run or two, usually getting a triple or double kill. I've even seen games where the bot is stuck into a lobby with several other macro bots, and in these games it usually gets upwards of 20 or 30 kills. However, it does have some fatal flaws, mainly the issue turning. All the time, a stupid macro bot will sprint directly past the scripted robot, and then it gets stuck chasing something that's completely behind it. Now I could easily fix this by just setting a limit for how long it chases something, but I really just don't feel like doing that right now. So yeah, this is my Halo boosting bot. If enough people want the code, I'll try to post it somewhere, but yeah, this is my first YouTube video. Yeah, right now my Google Chrome is actually filled with nothing but Premiere Pro tutorials and things. So I hope this was interesting for you. If you have any tips or suggestions, let me know in the comments. But yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Have fun.